Year-round lakefront cottage. This cottage has been remodeled for a great lake living experience. The present owners have had lots of fun with family and friends and have loved the ease of weekends and holidays at the lake. Vinyl siding, windows, tile and hardwood provide for low maintenance. The bright, open floor plan includes a galley-style kitchen, and a comfortable living room leads to an awesome sunroom, where you can enjoy that morning cup of coffee and savor the view through the wall of windows. You'll be delighted with the large, wrap-around deck, 12x22 plus wrap, that provides terrific outdoor living space and enjoy the evenings by your fire pit. The oversized, 2-car garage is a bonus with plenty of room for cars and toys, along with a heated utility and laundry room. Call today and get ready to enjoy life on Chautauqua Lake.